In this video we will learn about how to add text and edit it. To add text, click on Titles. Here you can see multiple options of adding text, let's explore them. To add the text, click and drag it to the editing section. Or you can click on the plus sign as well. To edit, right-click and select Properties. Or you can also edit it by double-click on the text title. Write any text you like. You can resize the text as well according to your need. From here you can select any of the font you like. From here you can select any of the font size you like. If you want to bold the text, click on this option. For italic style, click on this. To further stylize the text, you can choose any of the style you like. In Animation section, you can add animation to your text. You can add any of the animation which will you like. In Preset, scroll down, there you will find more editing options. Change the text color from this option as well. You can give the text and line space to your text from these options. And align your text from here. If you want to rotate your text, you can do it from this rotation option. Increase the scalability of the text as well. You can try different blending options according to your need. Increase and decrease the opacity of the text from this option. You can also use this option for watermark purpose. You can add multiple text as well, like this. For subtitles edition, use different subtitles options. Also, you can add end screen credit.